Okay, we're gonna watch Dweebs' favorite show, Rude Dog and the Dweebs. We're gonna watch Hello, Mr. Kitty. Let's see how this goes. Dweebs is your favorite show, Rude Dog and the Dweebs.
Is a bird's eye view of our neck of the woods. You know, our neighborhood, our crib, if you will. I would have started this cartoon myself, but on this particular morning, I was still trying to catch a few Z's. Unfortunately, the Dweebs are not. Hey, look out, Winston. Why don't you watch it?
That's precisely what I'm preparing to do, Reginald. Look out so I can watch it.
I can't believe this guy.
Oh, my.
Dweebs, you like the show? I think she's a crush on Rude Dog.
As you can
Oh,
see,
she does.
living with 7 dweebs makes it real tough to sleep late.
Do you love Rude Dog?
Dweeborama. Morning, dweebs.
Morning, Rude Dog.
And dweebette.
Morning, Rude Dog.
Hey, where's Tweak? Winston?
Can you say something, Dweebs?
You know?
I'm afraid the precise location of the Tweakster escapes me at this time, sir.
Right.
Oh.
Man, gotta get him to loosen up.